Standlee Hay Company recommends feeding by weight and not by volume. 1.5 to 2% of a horse's body weight should be fed per day in forages, depending on the horse's activity. This equates to 15 to 20 pounds of dry forage per day for a 1,000-pound horse. Always use the concept, a pound of hay is a pound of hay, regardless of its form. Therefore, a pound of cubes is the same nutritionally as a pound of pellets or a pound of baled hay. Gradually replace existing hay with Standlee Premium Western Forage over a 7 to 10 day period. Replace existing hay on a 1-to-1 basis with Standlee Premium Western Forage. Never feed moldy or insect-infested forage to horses. Always provide free access to fresh, clean water. Work with your veterinarian or an equine nutritionist to develop a total health care and nutrition program for your equine partner. Standlee's line of cubes includes certified alfalfa cubes, premium alfalfa cubes, premium alfalfa Timothy cubes, and premium alfalfa oat cubes. Cubes should be soaked for animals with dental issues, older animals, and to prevent choking or throat scratch. The cubes can be soaked with 2 parts water to 1 part cubes. Cubes can also be sprinkled with water for animals with respiratory problems. Always use room temperature or cold water to soak the cubes. Otherwise, it can cause them to ferment. Feed at ground level. Standlee's line of pellets includes premium alfalfa pellets, certified Timothy grass pellets, premium alfalfa Timothy pellets, and premium orchard grass pellets. Pellets should be soaked for animals with dental issues, older animals, and to prevent choking or throat scratch. The pellets can be soaked with 2 parts water to 1 part pellets. Pellets can also be sprinkled with water for animals with respiratory problems. Always use room temperature or cold water to soak the pellets, otherwise it can cause them to ferment. Feed pellets at ground level. Standlee's line of chopped forage includes premium chopped alfalfa and premium chopped alfalfa Timothy. Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is high-quality forage that has been cut into small pieces. Chopped forage is often mixed with the grain portion of the diet to slow the rate of grain intake. It's also utilized as a highly palatable carrier for medications for sick animals. If Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is utilized as the sole forage source, feed it at a minimum rate of 1.5% of body weight per day. If Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage is being fed to replace only a portion of the hay in the diet, gradually remove the desired amount of hay and add the same weight of Standlee Premium Western Chopped Forage. Compressed bales of forage are made using a 4x4x8 bale of forage that is put into a press. It's sliced, compressed, weighed, and then banded. Grab-and-go bales are furthermore shrink-wrapped and equipped with a handle for easy and clean handling and transport. During the process of cutting the forage, it creates fractures. Think of what happens to a piece of wood when it gets cut. It creates sawdust. Fractures are little particles of forage. They may look like dust to some people, however, it's actually fractures from the forage. These fractures are not harmful. In fact, most horses eat it up like it's the best part of the forage, the candy if you will. Standlee's line of baled forage includes premium and certified alfalfa compressed and grab-and-go bales, premium and certified Timothy compressed bales, as well as premium Timothy grab-and-go bales, premium alfalfa grass compressed and grab-and-go bales, and premium orchard grass compressed bales. The bands on the compressed bales should be cut 8 to 10 hours prior to feeding to allow the forage to relax and breathe. This will also help to prevent overfeeding and allow the forage to form its natural flakes. Feed by weight and not by volume, 1.5 to 2% of a horse's body weight. The forage can be wetted for horses with respiratory sensitivities. Standlee Hay Company purchases beet pulp pellets and shreds from the local sugar factory. We bring the product to our manufacturing facility and bag them. We do not add any molasses to the product. It is in there as a byproduct of the manufacturing of the sugar beets at the sugar factory. Beet pulp pellets have about 8% sugar. Beet pulp shreds have about 10% sugar. Of this, 3% is from molasses. Beet pulp is an excellent source of digestible fiber and works well to put weight on a horse or for hard keepers. Beet pulp can be fed to mature horses at a rate of 0.05 to 0.2% of body weight per day, depending on activity level. For a 1,000-pound horse, this equates to 1/2 to 2 pounds of dry beet pulp per day. Beet pulp is a dehydrated product and is recommended to be soaked completely submerged in water for a minimum of 15 to 30 minutes prior to feeding. Soak beet pulp pellets or shreds with 2 parts water to 1 part pellets or shreds, with room temperature or cold water. Do not use hot water as it may cause the product to ferment. Feed at ground level. All-natural Appleberry Cookie Cubes horse treats are a delicious treat made of alfalfa, timothy, and human-grade cranberries infused with applesauce. They're a great way to reward your animal or to just give as nutritious snacks. These cookie cubes should not be fed as a sole source of nutrition. They're not recommended for horses with dental issues. Standlee offers 2 types of bedding, shavings and straw. We have 2 sizes of manufactured pinewood shavings, as well as compressed straw bales and chopped straw. All our animal bedding is made from the best materials available and is highly absorbent and free of dust.